Choosing the right style truck chain. Predator heavy-duty chains. The benefits of Predator heavy-duty single truck chains are that they are exceptionally strong and durable. They have tightening cams for easy and quick adjustments, and they last 4 times longer than twist-link chains. They provide 35% more traction on ice and hard-packed snow. Before you buy truck tire chains, you should know a few things. You should know your size. You should determine your work environment and consider your usage requirements. The tire chain experts at Ken Jones are here to help. Call 1-800-225-9513.